Once upon a time, in a magical forest, a group of wild birds lived together in harmony. Each bird had its own unique feathers, colours, and special talents. One sunny morning, they decided to embark on a thrilling adventure to explore the wonders of the world beyond their cosy forest. The Majestic Vulture's Soaring Lesson. The adventure began with a majestic vulture named Victor. Victor was known for his incredible soaring skills. He taught the other birds how to ride the winds gracefully. The forest echoed with joyous chirps as the birds circled the sky, feeling the exhilarating freedom of flight. The melodious robin's song concert. Next on the journey was Rosie, a sweet robin with a melodious voice. As the sun began to set, Rosie gathered the feathered friends around. With a joyful tune, she serenaded the group, creating a magical song concert that filled the forest with happiness. The other birds couldn't help but join in, creating a symphony of nature. Woodpeckers drumming Extravaganza. As night fell, the group stumbled upon Woody, a woodpecker with a talent for drumming. Woody invited everyone to join a rhythmic drumming session on the trunks of the trees. The forest pulsated with beats, and even the critters joined in the moonlit celebration. Seagulls seaside surfing. The next day, the adventurous birds arrived at the seaside. There they met Sam, a spirited seagull. Sam taught the group the art of surfing the ocean waves. With wings spread wide, the birds glided effortlessly over the sparkling water, experiencing the thrill of the sea. Flamboyant Flamingos ballet dance. In a lush lagoon, the friends encountered Fiona, a flamboyant flamingo. Fiona showcased her graceful ballet dance, inspiring the birds to express themselves through movement. The flamingo's elegant twirls and leaps added a touch of grace to the feathered adventure. Pelicans fishing lessons. Nearby, the group met Pete, a wise pelican with a knack for fishing. Pete demonstrated the art of catching fish with his impressive beak. The birds tried their luck, and soon the air was filled with laughter as they splashed in the water, enjoying their newfound fishing skills. Crow's Clever Puzzle Challenge. As the journey continued, the birds reached a dense, mysterious forest. There, they encountered Cleo, a clever crow. Cleo challenged them to solve puzzles and riddles to navigate through the labyrinth of trees. The birds discovered that teamwork and clever thinking led them to the heart of the enchanted forest. After days of adventure, laughter, and learning, the feathered friends returned to their magical forest with hearts full of joy. The birds realized that their unique talents and the diversity among them made their world more colorful and exciting. From that day forward, the wild birds continued to celebrate their differences, always cherishing the memories of their grand adventure. And so, in the heart of the enchanted forest, the feathered friends lived happily ever after. Valuable lessons about nature, friendship, and the beauty that surrounds us. Join us for more adventures in the sky, so don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Danyal, Haider, Cartoons for Kids.